Manappuram Finance, just look out for this one because, while of course the stock has gapped down, personal assets of the promoter, that's VP Nandakumar, have now been frozen by the ED, including almost over 19 crore shares of the company as well. The stock is seeing a big nosedive as we speak right now. In fact, let me take it across to my colleague Samir Dikshit and get in the latest on what's happening at Manappuram. Samir?
So that's the big development about Manappuram Finance Limited, where the promoter, VP Nandakumar, his personal assets has been seized by ED, the investigating agency, and it reduced to rupees 143 crore. So the point is that ED during the search operation has found so that illegal amount of 143 crore was collected by Manappuram Finance Limited without following proper norms. Even when this was triggered by the RBI, the Reserve Bank of India, that how this 143 crore has been collected by Manappuram Finance Limited and it has not been given back to customers. So a proper direction was given by RBI to Manappuram that they have to give back this amount to the customers from whom this amount has been collected. But during the search operation that was carried out by Enforcement Directorate, they found no evidence that this amount was given back to customers, and this amount was diverted for some other purpose. This amount was diverted for purchasing property, for that was invested in shares. So this all was as an evidence. It was collected by the ED, and post the search operation, ED took a big action and freezed the account and freeze the assets of Mr. VP Nandakumar, and that amounts to rupees 143 crore. In addition to this, the ED has also mentioned that the role of Chief Financial Officer of Manappuram and several other officials is also being investigated, whether they also were active part in collecting this amount of rupees 143 crore. So it clearly seems that the trouble for Manappuram Finance Limited is going to be increasing in coming days, and for promoter, they have freezed this amount, and now the further investigation is going on.
Okay, so that's the latest coming in as far as Manappuram Finance is concerned, but the stock has been nosediving. It's down 13%. Let's pull up the one-week chart if we can of Manappuram Finance and see, because since the news around this ED, process has really started in the raids at some of their offices, we have seen a bit of a slide in the stock price. In fact, it's now at 103 levels, a cut of almost 18% is what we have seen in the last 7 days itself, and the bulk of it coming in over the last 3 days itself.